To my YouTube channel. My name is Rothessa of Merida's Adventures, and if you're new here, I do create travel vlog and share you also my life living here in Germany. And for today's episode, I will be sharing with you how I pack my things on a 5 days trip. The first thing is to know the weather, and since it's summer here in Germany, I only pack the lightweight materials or lightweight clothes, but still I got my vest and jacket because the weather on the mountain is very unpredictable. When packing your things, it's really important to have a checklist so that you will avoid forgetting all the things that you need to bring. So I usually have my checklist done, and after having my checklist, I arrange all the things that I need to bring. What we really need is to be more organized when packing our things. So I have a lot of organizer bags in different sizes. It's really helpful to save your space. And what I have in this small organizer bag is my socks, undies, bras, and so on. So it really saves space, and aside from that, it's very organized. Next one is a bigger bag, organizer bag, and what I usually put in here is the clothes that I'll be needing for a 1-week trip. I usually roll them in order for me to save space, and after rolling them, make sure that they are already paired. For example, this one, it's a short and a t-shirt. So I just roll this and put this inside my bag. I already prepared 7 clothes and it's already paired so that I can save time and I will not be having hard time thinking of what to wear on a specific day. I just make sure that I have clothes which is really useful for my hiking. For example, leggings, and I pair it with a top. I just again roll them. So I will be showing to you guys how I do it. We are done packing our things here, and it really saves our space, and we will just put this inside the luggage, and all the clothes that I'll be needing for this trip is already here. Next thing to do is to organize all the things that you need for your videos, like gadgets. I have also a pouch where I put all the wires. Also, for all the toiletries, I put it inside. It really saves space because it organizes all the things. And I have all the essentials, including the sunscreen, which is very important, and everything. Shampoo, conditioner, soap. So yeah, I have it all here. Not really a light packer. I still need to practice to bring not so much. So we will be using this one because Mark and I will be sharing our things. And let's try to arrange this. So these are the things of Mark, and I'll be using this space. We also have this one. We usually put our dirty clothes. Not literally dirty clothes, but the one already used. My things. It's already organized and it's easy and it saves a lot of space. I also bring my pouch, makeup pouch, and I usually put this on my backpack so that it will be easier for me to grab my things. And sanitizer, rose water, and sunglasses, and head cream. And I hope you had fun watching this video. It fits perfectly. I hope that I didn't forget anything. So we are done packing. This is one luggage for me and Mark, and I'll be using this one. So we're done with our backpack. Kinuha ko na lang yung laptop ko kasi I'll be using this later when we are traveling. I need to edit some videos. So ito, dito muna siya. These are my shoes. Got it here. So guys, we are done packing, and I hope you had a great time watching this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Merida's Adventures. And of course, please click the notification button for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And see you in Bayern. Bye guys! Cheers!
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.